Now I will tell you how to find the area of segment in the different cases. What are the cases? What is the major segment and minor segment is being discussed with you. For example, if I take this is a circle, center point is O, and this is the chord, we say the diameter. Then in this situation, what is this? Semicircle. What is this? Semicircle. Semicircle is also known as what? Semicircle is known as segment as well as sector. So area of circle is what? Area of circle we call pi r square. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. So there is one particular case when the segment is semicircle, then the area is half pi r square. Now actually if I land you in the sector where the circle is separated in the two different separate segments. One is the minor segment, other is the major segment. So if I take, this is a circle, this is a center, is a chord AB. Now this portion enclosed between the chord and arc is known as the segment. This part is a segment. This is known as minor segment because the arc enclosed is minor arc. Why this is minor arc? Because angle made by this minor arc on the center is less than 180 degree. This angle is actually less than 180. So this is a minor arc and this segment is the minor segment. Okay. How to find this area? If I tell you separately, this is radius, central angle or degree measure is theta, then I am showing you this is what? This is the sector because I have taken this OAB like this. In this sector, angle at center is theta. So area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is the area of sector number 1. Now from this sector, if this triangle is removed, this is the triangle OAB. From this triangle, if from this sector, if this triangle is removed, then we can obtain the segment, or that is what? Minor segment. What is the area of this triangle if these two are equal? This side is r, this side is r, this angle is theta. Formula is developed is half r square sine theta. So when from area of sector, area of triangle is subtracted, then the left part is the segment, is known as the area of segment. And what is the minor and major segment is also being explained you. Area of minor segment or area of major segment is the corresponding area of major and minor segment. If the length of arc is minor, then the segment is the minor segment. If length of arc is major, then it is the major segment. So in all, in totality, what you can say about the area of a minor segment, that is area of minor segment or segment can be calculated by using the formula theta upon 360 pi r square minus half r square sine theta, where r is the radius of the circle where segment is formed, theta is the degree measure of corresponding minor arc or major arc, and sine theta you can establish, you can find, you can calculate from the trigonometry. But I am going to give you that if this theta is 30 degree, sorry, if this theta is 60 degree, If theta is 60 degree, then you can apply the formula as theta upon 360 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. What is the reason that this formula is converted to like this, theta by 360 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square? Because in case when theta is 60 degree, you can see this is the chord and this angle I am saying 60 degree. If this is 60, then these two sides are equal. So these two sides, these two angles are also 60 and 60. This is equilateral triangle, and area of equilateral triangle can be obtained by using root 3 by 4 side square. Side is here what? R, equal to the radius of circle. So area of segment in case when theta is 60 degree is always calculated by using the formula theta by 360 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 r square. This is the master result for finding the area of any segment, may be minor or major, because if theta is 180 degree, then we say it is semi segment. More than 180, we will put here, we will find area of major segment. If theta is less than 180, we will find it is area of minor segment. The same formula is also applicable when theta is 120 degree. You can calculate, you can find, you can verify. But if it is theta is 90 degree, then formula is theta by 360 pi r square minus half r square. So these are the results. You have to remember this formula of area of the segment theta upon 360 pi r square minus half r square sin theta. These are the two special cases. When theta is 60 or 120, then you can apply this formula. When theta is 90, you can apply this formula. And the last, if somebody asks you what is the perimeter of sector, then you have to say this is R, and this is L. So 2R plus L is known as the perimeter of sector, where L is the length of arc, So this is the formula for finding the perimeter of sector. So these all results required have been finished. Now we will discuss with you the application of this part.